audio. Bandicam is a great capture program that allows you to easily record the computer screen, computer sound, and microphone all together. If you want to record the system audio and or your voice, please see the tutorial below. Audio sound recording in Windows Vista 7, 8, and 10. To record computer sound and your voice at the same time in Windows Vista 7, 8, and 10, start Bandicam video setting and choose default sound device and microphone at the recording setting. Then click the two sound mixing options. Number 1. How to record computer sound in Windows Vista 7, 8, 10, 11. To record computer sound, choose default sound device as the primary sound device. See more. Tip: if you can't see default sound device, uncheck the run this program in compatibility mode for option. Number 2. How to record microphone sound only in Windows Vista 7, 8, 10, 11. To record your voice, you have to choose the microphone device in the sound setting window. Number 3. How to record computer sound and your voice at the same time in Windows Vista 7, 8, 10, 11. To record computer sound and your voice at the same time, choose default sound device and microphone, then check the two sound mixing option. Audio sound recording in Windows XP. To record computer sound and your voice at the same time in Windows XP, start Bandicam video setting and choose primary sound capture drive and microphone at the recording setting. Then click the two sound mixing options. Number 1. How to record computer sound in Windows XP stereo mix. If there is no sound for the computer video in Windows XP, you have to enable stereo mix in volume control and change the sound device in the recording setting of Bandicam. How to record your voice in Windows XP. To record your voice in Windows XP, you have to enable microphone in volume control and select your microphone. Number 3. How to record computer sound and your voice at the same time in Windows XP. To record computer sound and your voice at the same time in Windows XP, choose primary sound capture driver as the primary sound device. Select your microphone as the secondary sound device. Then click the two sound mixing options. Bandicam sound setting. Please click the setting button under the video tab to open the recording setting. Number 1. Record sound. If the record sound option is checked, the sound will be captured with the video. Number 2. Save audio tracks while recording. If this option is checked, audio is saved separately as a WAV file. See more. To get audio tracks as MP3 file, start Bandy cut and check the extract audio track option. Number 3. Speakers. This allows the user to select a device for recording computer sound. Number 4. Microphone. Primary sound device. This allows the user to select a device for recording microphone sound. Number 5. Secondary sound device. This allows you to save a specific sound by adding a specific audio or to record a mute a sound with the specific hotkey. Number 6. To sound mixing. This option allows the user to mix the primary sound device and the secondary sound device into one audio track. If you are not a video specialist, please check this option. Number 7. Push to talk or push to mute. If you want to record or mute the sound with the specific hotkey, select the microphone and check the push to talk or push to mute. Number 8. Setting. This button allow the users to open the playback or recording setting for video. Number 2. Filter. This option allows the user to use the microphone filter function. Convert to mono. The microphone input is converted from stereo to mono. Noise suppression. This allows you to record microphone sound by reducing external noise like mouse clicks, the keyboard sound. Windows Vista 7, 10, 11. To record computer sound and your voice. To record computer sound and your voice, select default output device for the speakers and your microphone device for the microphone. If the setting window look different from the images above, please download and install the latest version of Bandicam from the download page. If the computer sound is not recorded with the above setting, please click here. If the microphone sound is not recorded with the above setting, please click here. Windows XP. To record computer sound and your voice. To record computer sound and microphone sound in window XP. Select primary sound capture drive or stereo mix as the primary sound device and microphone as the secondary sound device. Window XP setting. Right click on the speaker icon in the system tray. Open volume control. Please click property. Number 2. After selecting the right device in mixture device, select the recording option. Check the microphone option and set the microphone volume to around 70% to 80%. If the microphone volume is set to mute, change it to unchanged. Number 3. If you still have a problem with the microphone recording, select the play back option, check the microphone option and check the select checkbox or uncheck the mute checkbox in the macro tab.